is used to protect other metals in the marine environment. Why I put a piece of zinc in the shaft like this, or why I put that piece of zinc in the bottom of the lower unit in an outboard, piece of zinc. Why I use zinc?
It's cheap.
Excuse me?
Cheaper?
No. Why I put zinc? To protect other metal. Why I put one piece of zinc like this in the rudder?
Because
the rudder in copper. Why I protect that piece of copper alloy with this element of zinc?
Because it gives off the extra.
Pay attention. What is the element that oxidizes everything?
Oxygen.
Oxygen. Where is located oxygen? Here.
Yeah.
Those three elements, they have the higher level of energy. What is the meaning of that? They have a lot of force to destroy the rest of the people. Those three, oxygen, fluor, and chlorine. If you check the table of electronegativities in your book, you see they have the high level. This one have 4.0 millivolts. This one 3.0, 3.5. A lot of energy. The rest of the people is less. This is why oxygen attack everything. Okay, oxygen is in the environment. How many electrons have oxygen in the last orbit? 6. How many electrons need
2.
oxygen to be stable?
2.
2 more. And high energy. This is why oxygen in the environment attack this and this and this and this, because nobody have more energy than him. Incredible, no? It's the strongest. Okay, pay attention. What do you think is better for oxygen? Eat one piece of metal with 2 electrons in the last orbit, or eat another piece of metal with 3 electrons or 5 electrons in the last orbit?
2.
With 2 is easy, because I have 6, I only need 2 extra. Bingo. To combine with other one with 3 electrons, that one release or 1 or 3, not 2. That's difficult, no? In that case, I need call other oxygen. Hey, my friend, I have a couple of ladies with 3 elements. Can you call all of them? I need organize a party. Pay attention. The oxide of zinc, oxygen, 6 electrons in the last orbit, and zinc, 2. Which one have more energy? Oxygen. Oxygen, attract, and zinc, low energy, release. Release 1, release 2, this one complete 8, and this one complete 0. And the molecule is perfect, it's stable. What type of relation is that permanent relation? Ionic. Ionic. This is an ionic bond. Okay, guys? It's permanent, it's strong. Other good example is salt. It's chlorine and sodium. You remember? Yeah. Chlorine and sodium. The salt that you use every day in your home. How many electrons chlorine in the last orbit?
7.
7. And sodium? Which one have more energy between chlorine and sodium? Chlorine is strong, and sodium release that electron. And the molecule is 8 for him, 0 for him, and it's stable. Can you separate easily the sodium and the chlorine in the salt? You need a special process to separate that. It's not easy, no? This is ionic. Okay, this is with zinc. Oxygen prefers zinc because it's easy. What happens if oxygen is in front of a piece of copper? Copper, how many electrons in the last orbit? How many electrons?
3.
3. No? And oxygen? 6. What is the molecule of the oxide of copper? I need 2 coppers, 3 oxygens to create a stable molecule. Let me explain how is that process. I need 2 coppers. With the 3 electrons in the last orbit, and how many oxygens?
3.
How many oxygens in each electron in each oxygen?
6.
6. Now, guys, you follow me, guys?
Yeah.
6, 6, and 6. 3 and 3 for copper. Ready?
2 compared to.
Look at this. This one, 2 for him, 1 for him, other for him, this and this for him, this one complete 8, 8, 8, 0 and 0. See? Now you understand? That's perfect, no? The same with aluminum. Aluminum is the same with iron. And the molecule is pretty simple. You replace that one for aluminum. Nice, no? This is why oxygen prefers one piece of zinc, because it's easy attack that piece of zinc. I don't need to call other 2 oxygen. Hey, my friend, can you call other 3 ladies for the party tomorrow? No. My party is right now with this. Bingo, finito. Of course, when the piece of zinc is completely eroded, you need to replace quickly. If not, the oxygen starts to make phone calls to attack the copper. And suddenly, it's corroded the copper. It's clear, guys? Zinc is excellent because zinc only have 2 electrons in the last orbit. Which other one have 2 electrons in the last orbit and could be a great anode? Magnesium. Magnesium not react with water and only have 2. This is why there are anodes, sacrificial anodes in zinc or in magnesium. Later we are going to learn that the magnesium zincs are good for fresh water. And the zinc anodes are excellent for salt water. And also there is another alloy in aluminum. It's a special alloy that is good sacrificial anode and will be used in different scenarios. Brackish water, salt and fresh water, no salt water. In salt water, the best is zinc. Good, Papa?